Hello viewers, welcome to yet another episode of AAA Profit Analytics Weekly Stock Market Review. Today we will cover the week starting from 9th May to 13th May. As all of you know, our videos are meant for serious investors, and with you is Sajeesh Krishnan, CEO of AAA Profit Analytics. Let's move straight away to Nifty's overview. Nifty made a weekly high of 17,132 and weekly low of 16,340. And last week's trading range was of 792 points, and Nifty closed at 16,411 with the 691 points loss. You are watching now Nifty's weekly chart. Nifty character 4% last week. Still Nifty is trading well above the low tested in the month of March at 15,671 when Russia-Ukraine war started. Anyway, we can expect the market to reverse from this 15,671 in this correction. The RBI on Wednesday hiked rates for the first time since 1st August 2018. We can make profit in market even though market is volatile. Learn the market and try to be cool during markets downturns. We have many situations like COVID corrections, Russia-Ukraine correction. Still we can make profit by applying proper strategies during such volatile market conditions. Actually, volatility is our friend. For example, let's have a look at the case of NIT. Actually, we entered in the stock at 362 level in the month of December, and we booked profit near 500 level. Again, during this war situation of Russia-Ukraine, stock corrected and again came back to 362 level. In this level, we ended again and booked profit above 550 level. Thus, we made 30% profit in the month of December, and again in the month of January, we added another 30% profit. So, if you use the volatility properly, you can make much more profits. Situation will get changed once Russia-Ukraine war gets over. Ensure that you are invested in fundamentally good stocks and ignore the volatility. Hold your portfolio stocks with patience. You are watching now foreign brokerage firm Jefferies report. They have issued a greed and fear report of this month. They believe that this is the year where investors should accumulate their favorite stocks in the Indian stock market. They are expecting our market to outperform after the first quarter. In this quarter 4 result season, last week Tata Power declared Q4 results. They declared 31.41% rise in net profit to 632.37 crores, and they also reported 15.41% hike in their revenue in the last quarter. The board also recommended a dividend of rupees 1.75 per equity share in this quarter. We are watching now Tata Power's chart. The Tata Power closed at 245 last week. We can expect a target of 274 for Tata Power during upward movements, and support will be at 220 level. You are watching now Canara Bank's chart. Canara Bank declared a 38.6% increase in net profit to 1,918.8 crores. You are watching now Canara Bank's chart. The stock closed at 219 level, and during upward movements, we can expect a target for Canara Bank at 252, and support for Canara Bank will be at 198 level. DCM Sriram reported a very good profit of 401.2 crores, which is 73% more than the previous quarter's results. You are watching now DCM Sriram's chart. The stock closed at 1070. During upward movements, we can expect 1260 as target for DCM Sriram, and support for the stock will be at 890 level. Let's move on to foreign institutions data. Last week, FI sold for 12,733.5 crores, and domestic institutions bought for 8,533.2 crores in cash provisional data. Let's move on to Nifty's analysis. You are watching now Nifty's last week's trading pattern. On 29th April, Nifty closed at 17,102. On 2nd May, Nifty went down 33 points, and on 4th May Nifty went down 391 points, and on 5th May Nifty went up 5 points, and on 6th May Nifty went down 271 points, and Nifty lost 691 points or 4% last week. You are watching now Nifty's monthly chart. Nifty is trading with a loss of 691 points in the month of May, and Nifty has lost 942 points in the year 2022. You are watching now Nifty's weekly chart. Nifty's 200 DMA is at 17,244, 20 DMA is at 17,206, and 100 DMA is at 17,260. You are watching now Nifty's daily chart with the major support resistance levels. In case Nifty continued to trade above 16,193, the resistance levels will be at 16,509, 16,915, 17,121, 17,420, 17,733 and 18,030. In case Nifty correct below 16,193, supports will be at 15,836, 15,671 and 15,331. You are watching Nifty's weekly chart, weekly range for the next week. Nifty's upper weekly range will be at 16,915 and lower range will be at 15,671 with midpoint at 16,193. Let's move on to our investment strategies for the next week. Our stock of the week is Adani Power. Adani Power reported 4,645 crore profit in the fourth quarter, which is multifold rise in net profit compared to the 13 crores profit in the previous quarter. We are suggesting Adani Power as our stock of the week, and I am expecting the stock to move from 292 level to 334. So you can consider investing in Adani Power at or below 292 for a target of 334. Our AAA technical pick for this week is Jindal World. You can consider investing in Jindal World below 308 for a target of 314. Let's have a look at the stocks with the technical breakout for this week. The stocks are Ruji Soya, Tata Chemicals, Adani Green, ITC and NTPC. All the stocks may be considered for investment for a target of 5% from Friday's closing price. All the stocks we discussed in this video are for investment. Thank you.